Okay.
Hello, Mr. Smith. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Uh, what brings you here today?
Actually, I'm really concerned about my health because last month my 6-year-old sister had a heart attack, and after that, I checked my cholesterol and blood pressure um, to see if it's normal or not, and it was moderately elevated. And I'm really
Mm-hmm.
worried about that I have the heart attack as
Mm-hmm.
like as my sister.
Oh, I totally understand your concern, and I'm sorry about your sister's health condition. Um, so I can see your test result that your cholesterol is high and your blood pressure is also high. Do you, can you tell me more about your lifestyle? Do you usually exercise or about your diet?
I think I'm in a general good health. I don't exercise that much, but I always use a lot of water and
Mm-hmm.
have a good diet.
Mm-hmm.
Includes vegetables and
Mm-hmm.
organ.
Great.
Thank you.
Great. So it seems that you're in a good condition about your health, healthy life, and you have a healthy life. So based on your history and increasing your blood pressure, I recommend starting medication to control your blood pressure, which is named as beta blocker, such as propranolol. To this medication help to reduce your blood pressure and prevent cardiac disease and death in
Actually,
future. Is that clear?
yes, clear, but I really don't like to take pills. Like I've never used any medication routinely, and I really prefer some lifestyle modification if, as you
Mhm.
advise, if you prefer.
I totally understand that sometimes it's hard to take medication every day. I totally understand it, but as I ask and I see, your lifestyle is in a good position, and I highly recommend using this medication because of your family history and your blood pressure, which is high. Then it's better to start it.
So,
Is that
for
all
how
right?
long should I use this medication?
Um, I recommend using it every day, and because the blood pressure is not something that become we should control it with this medication, and I think it's a lifetime medication, and it doesn't have any major side effect, and as I see, you don't have any contraindication to starting these beta blocker. Do you have any question?
I really worried about the side effects of the
Mm-hmm.
medication. So, and that's the main reason that I never have take some medications in my life. And as you said, it's a long-term medication, and
Mm-hmm.
it really worries me.
Yeah, I know I understand your concern, but yeah, every medication can have some side effect, but this can be easily managed with dose adjustment, or we can change the medication if we see any special side effect on you. Is that all right?
It's alright, but um I'm uh, I'm really doubtful about in starting the medication. Still, mm, actually,
Uh-huh.
I really prefer to um, like manage my cholesterol and blood pressure in other ways. You know.
I know, I understand, but while
Okay,
lifestyle management,
okay.
okay.
Time's up. Uh, okay. So, let's start with the doctor and see how the doctor is feeling. Um, well done. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
you did the scenario. That's fine.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, what is your feeling? How was it?
6 out
6.
of
Okay.
10.
And so which parts went well?
حس میکنم کانکشن داشتم با مریض.
Okay. So your okay. So rapport was good.
آره
Okay.
رابطش خوب بود. بعد
Let's hear. No, no. You
اتفاقا
start from yourself first.
okay.
Your rapport was good. And a structure.
استراکچر فکر کنم خوب بود دیگه به ترتیب.
Okay. Information gathering.
اونم پرسیدم که حالا درباره لایف استایل رو دارید.
Exploring eyes.
نمیشن.
اینم خوب بود ها.
آره
So what could be done differently? That is اون چهار نمره.
همین دیگه
اونو
همین دو
چیکار کنیم؟
هم باید بگم.
نه دیگه شما اول خودت باید
من
بگی
باید
که
بگم.
سلف پرسپشن دیگه. اول پرسپشن
آها
شما چی
چی
بوده؟
میشد.
این کدوم اینا بود که شما بعد یه جور دیگه انجام میدادین که خوشحال تر بشین؟
آها اینفو گیوینگ شاید.
اوکی. دیگه
دیگه گدرینگ. اینفو گدرینگ.
I don't know. You tell me. خب
اوکی.
منظورتون چیه با information giving؟ چی رو باید یه جور دیگه انجام میدادین؟
چون که وقت کم اومد گفتم شاید وگرنه که
اوکی.
گفتیم مهم نیست.
به نظرم که اینفو گیوینگت خوب بود. من مریض بدقلقی بودم خب.
مهم. مهم. اوکی.
مریض خودش راضی از دکتر.
exploring eyes چی؟
آها exploring eyes.
آره، به نظرم
exploring eyes همونه که مثلا من باید بفهمم این کانسرنش واسه بلاد پرشرشه و لایف استایلش رو میخواد چنج کنه به جای شروع دارو. آره
میگه که
این
من دارو
آیسه.
نمیخوام. اوکی. She says I
آها
don't want.
بعد میپرسیدم چرا مثلا دارو نمیخواین.
اوکی.
آره
بله.
آره این
explore
خوب.
کن دیگه. ببینیم کانسرنش چیه. مشکلش با
آها.
خودش گفت
دارو چیه.
ساید افکتش.
Good. Okay. But so you identify that first and then you explore. Okay. شما اولش بله ایشون گفت side effect. شما identifyش میکنین. It's a cue. You pick it up. You say okay. She doesn't want medicines, but why? Okay. Then you explore it. وقتی که explore کردی اون وقت میتونی تازه به اون وقت جواب همون کنسرنش رو بدی که مثلا گفت که چی گفت من I'm still worried about the side effects. So you can say, well, obviously all the medications have side effects, but some of them are better tolerated. And we can always find something which suits you better, or we can try different medicines. And then she says, no, I don't like drugs. Okay, why don't you like drugs? Because they're chemicals. Well, okay, so what do you mean by chemicals? Do we have any non-chemical medicine? Well, herbal medicines, natural remedies. Okay, then you can say, well, natural remedies, herbal medicines are the basis of these chemicals, and they are chemicals as well. Okay, you're right. Okay. Um, yeah, information giving, you did well. بذارین از همکارای دیگه بپرسیم ببینیم که اونا نظرشون چیه. میخواین از شروع کنیم. شما نظرت چیه؟
من فقط به نظرم همه چیش خوب بود، فقط آیسو میتونست یکم بهتر چیز کنه، مثلا راجع به خواهرش بپرسه که مثلا اونم حالا مشکلی تو تست ریزالتاش داشته که مثلا هارت اتک بهش دست داده یا نه، و حالا یعنی مقایسه درستیه با خواهرش که اصلا کانسرنش این شده.
Good. That was a cue. Sister, a third person is a cue. که میتونستیم اکسپلورش کنیم. یکی دیگه این بود که reluctance to take to start medicines, okay? This is another cue. Okay, okay, دیگه چی الهام؟
به نظر من بقیه چیزاش خوب.
Good, very good. پس بیشتر از 6 میگرفت، پس فکر کنم 8 تا باید بهش میدادیم.
به نظرم 8.
شما چی؟
شما میگفتیم مثلا information giving and make a decision بر اساس اتیک باشه و ساینس.
Okay.
این بر اساس ساینس سارا جون گفتم مثلا دوزش رو میتونیم ادجاست کنیم، ولی اتیک رو فکر نکنم اشاره کردن که مثلا حالا این برای سلامتی خودته، بالاخره فایدهش بیشتره برات، یعنی یه جوری بیشتر میتونست کانوینسش کنه شاید.
اوکی. خب میتونین بیشتر توضیح بدین یا نه؟
مثلا بگه که
میتونیم بگیم این بنفیشا، یعنی این قسمت بنفیشنسش رو ما داریم به اون میگیم، ولی اون بازم اتونومی داره، یعنی
اوکی.
آره اتونومی داره با خودشه، میگیم آخرش میگیم it's up to you بعد، ولی خب قبلش it's up to you یکم رود نیست.
Well, the best way to say that is, I mean, at the end of the day, the decision is yours, okay? The decision is yours.
But I need to do my duty as well.
Yeah, but my duty is to give you the best advice possible, okay? And then, okay, so my duty is to do or to give you what is best. Best for you and to inform you, okay? And basically and to make sure there is no harm. No, we don't have any harm here, but we have so basically our position in this case is, well, my duty is to give you the best advice so you can make an informed choice, okay? And that is the keyword, okay? The informed choice. Now, but the decision is yours. You can decide to take the tablets or not to take them, but that is up to you. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, I think this medication is best choice for you in this stage, but finally it's up to you.
Okay. Okay, so that's the last bit. I mean, دیگه خیلی دیگه چیز کردین. Usually at this point we say, okay, would you like to think about it? So if you cannot make a decision today, just I will just give you a handout. I print out something, some facts about the high blood pressure. You have a look at it and go think about it, and we can meet in a week's time to discuss. Is that okay? So okay.
دیگه یه جا هم گفتن is that clear که شما گفتی نباید بگیم.
Good. Okay.
خودم فهمیدم.
Okay. Okay. Is that دیگه چی؟
ولی
مریضم دوباره تکرار کرد گفت it's clear.
It's clear. Of course it's clear. I'm not stupid. Okay. یه جایی توی دقیقه یک بعد از دقیقه اول یک دقیقه و 10 ثانیه 15 ثانیه compound question پرسیدین که
آره دایت و چیزشو گفتم.
بله.
گفتم لایف استایل تو بگو مثلا اینجوری و اینجوری بعد اینو وقتی
بازش
میگم لایف استایل تو
لایف استایل
بگو
گفتیم، بعدم گفتیم دایت هم بگو ها. لایف استایل
آره
and your diet. Okay. Okay. Your lifestyle is in a good position. What do you mean?
تو موقعیت خوبی situation بعد میگفتم
And well, we don't say it's in a good situation. It's in,
You're on a good health.
yeah. So you can say you have a very healthy lifestyle.
آره.
Or okay. And you said this that this medicine doesn't have any major side effects. Really?
حالا میجر ساید افکت گفتم میجر نداره
Okay.
ماینور داره
Yeah. Okay.
یعنی اونا به این چیز دقت میکنن که مثلا علمیش درسته یا نه؟
نه این آخه علمی نیست که شما you're saying that it doesn't have any major side effects, and but this is a wrong sentence. You can't say that. You need to say these medicines are quite safe and they're very well studied and well tried. Okay.
quite
Uh,
safe.
so they're quite safe. They have I mean they are very well tolerated with very little side effects. Okay. Or they have few side effects, very few side effects. Okay. So okay. فشار خون چی میشه؟
های بلاد
blood
پرشر
pressure
Blood pressure.
Is that pressure?
high blood pressure
Pressure.
pressure
پرشر
گفتم
Oh,
pressure
آره تو یکم
pressure
جه میگفتی منم اسم میکرد
بله. اه،
pressure okay.
آره شما میگی pressure. Blood pressure. Okay.
Okay.
Pressure.
Okay. blood pressure
ولی اصلا کلا سخت blood pressure گفتن. این روله رو آدم قاطی میکنه.
blood pressure
به خصوص چینی ها، میدونید که چینی ها برعکس میگن اینا رو.